Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 1SE Lite and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again to find and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. And if you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our video about the developer options. Now let's go back to the general settings and tap on the system. Here tap on advanced, and as you can see we've got the developer options, so let's enter. Right here, all we have to do is to find the option Automatic System Updates and tap on the switcher to turn it on. From now on, your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted, so you do not really have to remember about manually updating your device, but remember about restarting it from time to time so your device will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.